Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with the S23 Ultra, and here's another very useful tip for you all. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to start the camera in the last used mode, such as video. So instead of always starting in photo mode, what you can actually do, you can set it to start in the video mode instead if you find yourself using the video mode more than the photo mode, or even vice versa if you find yourself using the photo mode more than the video mode. So I'm going to take you through the steps on how to set it to basically default to your last used mode. Okay, so just open up the camera and select the settings and scroll down to where it says settings to keep, and then select camera mode. Just turn it on, and here it explains everything that I've just said. So start camera in the last used mode, such as video, instead of always starting in photo mode. So just turn it on. So I'm just going to turn it off a second and show you all something. So let me just close down the camera. So when I open up the camera, as you can see, it starts in photo mode. However, if I switch to video mode, because I prefer to use the video mode more than the photo mode, and then I open up the camera, as you can see, it switched back to photo mode. So now when I go back into the settings and turn on the camera mode, as you can see, it's on photo mode. But if I switch to video, use the video, and then open up the camera, as you can see, it's launched in the video mode instead of the default photo mode. So each time I open it up, it will now start in video mode. And it's the same with if you prefer to use the photo mode. Each time I open the camera, it will start in photo mode, as you can see there. Same with portrait. As you can see, each time I open the camera now, it will open up in the portrait mode. So yeah guys, this was just my video showing you all yet another nice trick on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor. See you in the next one guys. More S23 Ultra videos on the way. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Hit that notification bell so you get notified the second I upload my newest video. I'm out. Deuces.